Hello, good morning all. Today we are going to see the HTML crash course. HTML crash course in just 60 minutes. Okay, we will be covering HTML from starting to end in the just time duration of 60 minutes. So without further delay, let us start the practical of HTML. Okay, so we'll just go to Chrome browser. First thing, we will download the required software to write the HTML. So we'll just go to Chrome browser. In the Chrome, we'll download the VS Code first of all. So this will be our code editor to edit and view our code. So let us see. Thanks for downloading. It will be downloaded in few seconds. And it is a code editor. Visual Code is a lightweight, powerful editor. It is given by Microsoft, so you can trust it very easily. And this provides very amazing features for us to learn the HTML. Okay, so let us see what are the other things you can achieve with this VS Code. And let it downloaded. Okay, it is downloaded. So let us see the installation steps of VS Code. Okay, VS Code is an IDE. We'll just going to install, double click on the IDE. Then it will ask you for some of the options. It is taking some loading time. Okay, then here it will give you the questions that would you like to accept the agreement? Yes, I do accept the agreement. By reading all these agreements from VS Code, if you want, you can read it, or else just trust the Microsoft and I accept the agreement, click next. After clicking next, this will be the path where it is installed. We don't care. Next. Okay, we'll create next. We'll just add all these checkboxes, right? If you add all these checkboxes, it means that it will be added to your Windows path file and all these things. Okay, then moving forward, we'll create next. We'll install it. So it will just take few seconds. It will install our VS Code. And till then, let us create a folder in our desktop, crash course of HTML. Let us see. I created a new folder. Let us see HTML. Okay, I am writing the name is HTML course, crash course. Okay, I'm making this HTML crash code. I don't want to launch it. I will just finish it. I will just open this folder. And by opening this folder, what I will do, I will just open this with code. I want this folder to be opened in my VS Code. Okay. And we'll just install some few of the extensions which will make our life easier. We'll just dispart it. And here we'll need a browser. We'll just open this way. And what we'll do, we'll just write some of the HTML code. Okay, before going to write HTML code, we'll go to extensions tabs. We'll search for a extension called live server. I'm using this extension so that our page, we should not re-download. Okay, it is already installed for me. If it is not installed, you will get an install option here. Just install it and you will be ready to go. So without any further delay, we have our ID ready, all environment ready, and we can just start with our HTML. So let us first write index.html, right? Okay, I created one file called index.html and it is taking some time for the file to be created. And we'll have this file. So we'll write an exclamation mark and we hit and enter. Okay, this is the boilerplate code of the HTML. For basic or beginners who don't know what is an HTML mean, it is the basic code, or we call it as a boilerplate code, right? It is the basic code which every HTML element will have. Means every HTML site which you make have this basic understanding of the code. So without any further delay, let us see what it means. So we have a tag called, we have a doc type HTML. This is the HTML5 version, which will give you which document you are using. And this is our base tag, that is HTML tag. HTML open tag is there, HTML close tag is there. And we have a head tag and body tag. These are the basic tags which our HTML is having, right? So if you don't know what is a tag, if I give you some basic understanding, what does the tag means? So before starting in HTML, we need to know tag and attribute. These two terms are very much important if you want to know what is an HTML means. So tag is, okay, we have a tag called, here we open this, we write tag name, and we close this and we write some content. So the tag is nothing but it's just an opening tag. We have an opening, this is called an opening tag, this is called an closing tag, and in between we have a content. In between we have content. Okay, and this total overall thing is called as HTML element. It is called as HTML element. So this is the small thing which you must know with before starting our HTML. What does a tag in HTML means? Tag is nothing but it is just an combination of opening tag, closing tag, and in between it may have some content, right? It forms our HTML tags. Next thing what you want to learn means, after knowing the tag, you should know what is an attribute means. So we'll go with attribute. What an attribute means we have a tag name, right? Tag name is there. Okay, we have a tag name. We have opening, close, and we have some content, right? Here we have content. So this tag name is normal thing. But if I write anything here, write attribute. Okay, write a attribute here, and I write the attribute value. Attribute value. These are the two things which you must be aware with HTML. Means here in the opening tag, in the total opening tag, what I'll do in the opening tag, I will write something called an attribute name, and I will write the attribute value, which it will insert or give the special power to this HTML element. Okay, it gives a special power to this HTML element. So it is clear, right? What is our tag name and what is our attribute? And knowing this, we can just start to our tutorial 1. Okay, I'm here. I will create a file called tut1.html. Okay, here I will just write an exclamation mark and we'll go with the basic boilerplate code. This is the code which is always given to you. This is boilerplate code. We can write tut1 HTML comments. Okay, we'll see HTML comments in tutorial 1. So let us see what does a comment means. Okay, a comment is nothing but the code which is ignored by the browser. Ignored by the browser. So if it feels overwhelming to you, just listen what I'm saying, then it will be making some sense to you, right? So a command, I will run this file. Okay, I will open this with live server and the file will be opened here. So the tutorial 1 file is opened here. So I can see that this is shown in the browser. So my first website is running live. So I want something like something important here, right? It is also listing this all something important here. All these things are shown here, but I don't want this something important here to be shown. So I can use something called comments. If I write a bracket this way, I write an exclamation marks, I double click, and this way inside this, if I write anything inside this is an HTML comment. See, when I refresh also, it is not shown to the browser. So this is an HTML comment. Means basically HTML comment, you can understand that the content is shown to the developer only. It is not for the user. Means I can write anything. Okay, important function here. I can just control plus / and I can get it commented. If it is not comment, you can see this text will appear in the browser. So I don't want this. So I can use HTML comment here. So this is the HTML comments which will be only shown to you, not to the browser. So moving forward, this is just the HTML comments. So I will create another file. I'm just closing this tut1. I'm creating a file called tutorial2.html. In this tutorial 2, we'll just see some of the other tags. Okay, we'll just see tutorial 2, and here we are going to see headings, and paragraphs. Okay, we are going to see headings and paragraphs, right? So first, let us see headings. I'm just writing headings, and I'm just commenting out, and we'll just run which file it is there. I'm just opening with the new live server. It will open the two. Here it is nothing but first tag we have is h1 tag. Okay, h1 tag. H1 stands for heading 1. If I write this way, heading 1. Okay, it will be shown in the browser. If I duplicate it down, okay, if I copy this down, and if I change this h1 to h2 tag, h1 to h2 tag, then I will be having in heading 2, right? Similarly, if I go down and if I take, let me go to an extension, I call it as called auto close. Okay, auto rename tag. I'm just installing this extension. Okay, auto rename tag, auto close tag. I'm installing these two extensions, which will make our life easier, right? In next tutorials. Okay, I did this. Next heading, I will create next 3. I will write h3. It is automatically changing my top character and old character. It is already done. So just now, I can just now, I make an heading 4. H4 means heading 4. It will become, again, if I do this h5, heading 5, we have a heading 5 for this, and we have a heading 6 for this. HTML supports 6 type of headings. So here you can say in our output, we are getting headings. We are getting a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5, 6. There are 6 heading tags available to our HTML. Okay. There are 6 HTML heading tags. So you can use different headings. The boldness and all these things keep changing in the HTML, right? These are the H3, H5, H6. We have these heading tags in our HTML. So moving forward, these are the heading tags. We have something called after heading. We want to display some paragraphs. Okay, we can write, okay, paragraphs. So I click here, I will just comment it out. And for paragraph, I'm writing p tag. If I write p tag, hi, I am a paragraph. If I save this, and I can just see I'm getting a paragraph. If I want a good paragraph, again, I can write p tag, and I can write lorem ipsum. I can hit enter or tab. I will get this. Means I'm getting my paragraphs. Again, you want some more content, you can just write this way. You are getting this paragraphs. So here we have headings. Okay, and here we have paragraphs. So these are the 2 important things we have learned in tutorial 2. Now let us move to the next tutorial, that is tutorial 3. We'll go to tutorial 3.html. In tutorial 3, what we'll see, we'll just first, what we'll do, we'll just create a boilerplate code, and you know how we created it. In tutorial 3, let us see link tag, and image tag. We go with link tag and image tag with the help of tutorial 2.3. Okay, if you wish here, then we can start with this. We can write link tag in HTML. If I go here, I want to comment it out, and I will run the tutorial 3 file. I will open it with live server. I can close my tutorial 2, and in the tutorial 3, there is nothing. So I will just write a heading tag. I am writing heading 2. Let us say links in HTML. Okay, it will show in my browser. So apart from my link tag, what is the tag we have? Let us see. A tag is used for link tag. A tag is there. It is used for used as link tag. Okay, we have a link tag. See, this href is an attribute. What it is? Href is an attribute which, what will do? It will redirect to the resource. Okay, it will redirect to the resource, or you can say it's a hyperlink. Okay, it's a hyperlink. I will just close this. Then this is link tag. Okay, where you want to go? I want to go to, let's say to 2.html, means from this file I have created a link to see this file. We are having a tutorial 3.html. When I click this, it went to tutorial 2.html. So similarly, if you click back button, okay, if you click back button here, then you will be again on the same page. So you can link your documents, link your HTML files with a tag. I will just comment this part and we'll see other functionalities of link. Okay, link to the external sites. If I go this way, I can just comment this and link to external site. Let us see. I have taken a tag. In a tag, I want to go to Google. Let us see. I want to go to Google tag. I want to Google website. Then I need to write https://www.google.com. means when I click this link, I should be able to go to navigate to google.com. Yeah, I'm able to navigate to google.com from my own personal site. So this is my Google site link. I can just create another attribute called target. Target is another attribute. We have target. I can write underscore blank. Means what will happen? This site will not be changed. When I click here, new tab, I am getting my google.com, right? So this is one thing. If you want in the same thing, just remove this target link. Okay, then it will be opened in the same browser, same window. Same window will be changed now. Same window goes to google.com. Link to let us say link to external site in new window. I'm just writing the code for your reference. If I do this way and I just write a link, I will just duplicate this link and I will bring it down. And after bringing it down, I will just add an attribute target blank. So it will open in the new site. I can just write it open in new tab, right? This will open google.com in the new tab. So there is a small tag which you need to learn, that is break tag, BR tag. It will give you a line space. See, if I write break tag here, it will give a line space to us. So I have included this tag in the next thing also, but here it will be very easy for us to understand which tag is doing what. So we have 3 tags here. So one tag is coming from this, next tag is coming from this, and next tag is coming from this. So this is how the link tag works. So similarly, you can use this link tag for different websites. So let me show you one more example. I will duplicate this line. Okay, or else I will not duplicate. I will just manually write. Let us say I want a link to YouTube. I want a link to YouTube. I will just control/, and next moving on, what I want a tag and href https:// I want to go to www.youtube.com. Let us see, I want to go to youtube.com, and here I will write welcome to YouTube. Welcome to YouTube. So if I do this way, I will get a link called welcome to YouTube, and I am moving to the youtube.com. So this is how you can use the links tag in your HTML site to connect to the different web pages. So you can create multiple web pages and create them. Like I have created this tutorial 1, tutorial 2. Now you can create the different web pages like home, about us, and you can link them through the single file. So this is how the website works through the links. So this is a tag, not the link tag. So a tag is what we call it as a anchor tag. Anchor tag have a one attribute, that is attribute name is href. H means hyperlink reference. So it is closes our link tags. Now let us see. I want some images in my site. Okay, I am writing an HR tag. HR is a horizontal row. Okay, it will just give a horizontal line to you. HR tag, and after writing this, I want images in HTML, right? If I want this, I have just commented out this and I write a h3 tag saying that images in HTML. So let us see what are the images in HTML tag. So if you want images in your site, then you need to use img tag. Img stands for images, and image has two attributes. One is source and one other is alternative, alt. Okay, let us see. You want to know about this tag means you have the definitive interpretive text for image. So if the image is broken, then this alternative text will be shown. So let me give you an example. Source means where the image exists. So let us go to our web and we'll go to free pick, a website which will give you some images. So let us go here and we'll just see an images of, okay, we'll accept all the cookies first thing. And let us see, go to metaverse. We'll see some of the good images. Yeah, I want this image or I want this image in my site. So I will click here. I will copy image address. I will just place it in the source folder of it. So after doing in the source, if I go to my page, I am getting this image. So I got this image, but what I want this image not, it is too big, right? I want it small. So how I can do? I can just write width equal to, let us say 150 pixels, and we'll just change the height also. Height automatically adjusts 150 into 150 to match the aspect ratio. So this is how you can insert the external images in your site. Okay. So taking forward in the going back, I want some other, let us take this. I want this image. I will just click here, copy image. I will just copy image address. I will just go here. I will just write another image tag, and I will, in the source, I will give this. So in my page, I am getting this. So here, if you also want this as small, then you can give a width attribute or height attribute 150 pixels. It will automatically adjust as per the size. So this is about the images in HTML. You can also copy your images in this folder and give the relative path to them or the absolute path to the images, so that you can take your offline images and you can use them. If you want, we can just see one more image in the offline. Let us take a collection. Let us take this welcome to metaverse world. It's a premium image, right? I just want to save image as where I want to save. I want to save it in the desktop folder. In the HTML crash course, I want to say, let us say my image. I want to see my image. I'm saving it here and it will be saved in my this page. So I have my image.wepg. So let us write a comment called loading an image from local or offline image. If I want to load an image from offline, then I will comment this and will just cite h2 tag and offline image loading. I write this way, and to write an image, I need an img tag. After img tag, I need to just give my img.wepb. If I do this, and if I go here, welcome to metaverse, means I can have my local images and all these images will be listed here. So this ends our tutorial for the images and links. So now you understand how the link and images are to be given to a browser. So we'll go with the tutorial 3. Let us go here. We'll just create a new HTML tutorial 3.html. We'll create this tutorial 3.html. Let me open this. Okay, tutorial 3 already exists. So we'll go with tutorial 4.html. And in this tutorial 4.html, we'll see some of the tags. Let us see, open this with, okay, tutorial 4, we have tags. We have basic tags in HTML, right? So in this video, we have some basic important tags. I will just open this here in the tutorial 4.html. If I see this, we have basic tags here. So we can write basic tags in HTML. I go with this. I will just show you some of the important tags which we have just covered and will use always. So let us see. There is I wanted to write a paragraph. P tag. I want to write lorem. Okay, I wrote this paragraph, but this paragraph comes in the single line. There is a problem that it comes in single line. But what I want a separation here. At this place, I want this paragraph to be break. So there is a tag called br tag. Br tag means break tag. If I write this, there is a line break here. Okay, we can write here br tag. It will give a space. So it is mostly used for line break. Okay, this tag is used for line break. Okay, br tag you cannot find this way, and I am just commenting this so that you have notes of this. So br tag, you can see it is for line break. Okay, we'll just take out this out of, and we have line break here. So you want to break the line, and imagine I have one more paragraph having lorem ipsum. So these two paragraphs are looking side by side, right? But I want some a good line separation, that I am using hr tag. So hr means horizontal row. So you can get the horizontal rows here. So these lines, if you maximize also, it will come to the full window size. So moving forward to the same situation, I'm having this as a full. I will just open it as to the maximize window. And now what I am having HR tags, BR tags with me. So similar to this, what tags I have? Let us say a heading tag I have H3, heading 3 we want to break heading a different line, 3 different lines. So we write a BR tag. So we write a BR tag this way. We'll write a BR tag, opening brace, closing brace, and all this. And we'll have heading in the next line and 3 in the next line. So this is how we have different tags. We have a break tag, we have a paragraph tag, we have HR horizontal row tag, and these tags. Apart from these tags, let us see some of the important tags. Imagine I am having a paragraph P. I am a paragraph. So this is a simple paragraph. Okay, this is a simple paragraph. But imagine you want this paragraph to be bold. Means I have a requirement that this paragraph word should be bold. So I will just cut this paragraph. I will use a tag called B tag. Inside B tag, if I push this, it will become bold. So I can just here only write I am a bold paragraph. So it is for bold paragraph. Imagine same thing. I want this paragraph to be italic. I have a requirement called this paragraph should be italic paragraph. So instead of B, I use an I tag, I for italic. See, it changes to italic tag, right? It's a italic paragraph now. So imagine I want it as an underlined paragraph. Means what I want, this paragraph should be an underline. So I will write U. So now this is an underlined paragraph. So these are the some of the basic things which you have. Means we have bold, we have italic, we have underline, and let us see, we have one more thing. We have similar to bold. We can also use a tag called strong tag, strong, strong. Strong gives the same effect as the bold tag, bold paragraph. So it is a strong paragraph, means it is equal to bold, but we have a special tag called strong paragraph. So moving to the next one, we have another tag called emphasis, EM. EM, if you go with this, if you hover on this, it will say that emphasis of the content. It is similar to emphasis tag, or you can say emphasis tag or italic tag. They are same. The italic one and the emphasis both are same, and the strong one and the bold one both are same. So similarly, just for utilizing some of the mostly used tags, they are just bold tag, italic tag, break tag, and HR tag. These are the mostly used tags which we usually use. Okay, let us go to tutorial 5.html. Let us go with this, and what we'll see, we'll just see what are some of the other tags. Like we want to write some expressions, right? Let us take here and we'll just merge this. We'll write? We'll write some We'll see some of the important concepts here in tutorial 5. Let me tell you something called self-closing tags. Self-closing tags and closing tags. So it is a small concept which you must be aware of while running the HTML. I will copy this. I will just paste in the body and I will just make it a comment and I will just write an HTML3 tag at a heading 3 and we'll just make it. It is the tutorial 5, right? We have a tutorial 5.html and we'll see self-closing and closing tags. So before writing a tag, if I see h1, we have an opening tag, right? We have an opening tag. This is called opening tag and we have some content in between content and we have a closing tag. So you can say this is an total HTML element. Okay, it's an HTML element. So if I wish this is an HTML element, then some tags we have, they are like, do not have any closing tag, like image tag. Image tag is just only one tag. We do not have such thing like image and closing this and this. Okay, we do not have such tags. We do not have this kind of tags because image tag does not have a closing tag. It is self-closes itself, right? It self-closes itself. We can just write our body tag back. Okay, image tag and input tag, which you will be going to see next, they are called self-closing tags. And heading tags like h1 tag, h3 tag, h heading tags, they are called closing tags. Okay, they are closing tags. Okay, let us start the same crash course of HTML. We'll complete the HTML, right? Opening this in the VS Code. First thing. Okay, we have seen about some Tut 7. Okay. Okay, till Tut 7 we have already done. I am closing all the files. Right. Today we'll make Tut 8. Okay. Okay, not inside EMG. We'll make inside the total full crash folder. I'll make a file called tutorial8.html. Okay. After writing HTML, what I need to do? I need to write the boilerplate code, right? We'll just see what is about table tag. Okay. Table tag. And we'll just run this by writing a command called, okay, HTML tables. HTML tables, and I'm commenting this line. Next, we'll write an h2 tag. h2 is a heading tag. Writing HTML tables. We'll just run this file by using the live server. We'll just open with live server and we'll get the output in the browser. Okay, means I am running my HTML tables now. So in HTML, some cases we need something called to make some tables, right? So we use table tag. So before that I'm writing HR tag. This is a horizontal row. Then again I will write to make table. I will write just table here, and I will just comment this and we'll go write table. To write table, what tag we have? Table tag we have. Okay. We'll just see we have horizontal row and we have wrote a table tag. In table, we have table headings, right? Student name, student roll number, and all this. So TH, or first we'll write table head. Okay. T head means table head. In table head, we write table heading. Heading means, let us say serial number 1 heading. If I duplicate this down, student name. Okay. Or else we'll just duplicate one more down and we'll write student Yeah, student roll number. ST roll number. ST means student roll number, right? I'm writing this way. And here also same. I want student name, ST name. So this is my heading, right? If I just see here, I will just see student name, student roll number. If I give border also, I want border 2 pixels, border 2. I got border, right? So it is the attribute border which is having some value. It will give some stylings. Okay, I have heading, right? After heading, I need to enter some data, right? Inside student. So let us take T body. Inside the body, what I want a row. What I want a row, means table row. Inside table row, what I want, table data. Means every row needs table data, right? First table data is serial number 1. Next table data is roll number, let us say S1, student 1. And next table data is your name. Let us take, what's your name, right? Vinay. We'll take this way. And if we save and we come here, we got your details. Similarly, if I want another record, means another student I want to insert. Inside the T body, again I need another row, right? Another row. Inside another row, what first data I want? Data 1. TD means student number 2. I am duplicating this out, and student 2 means roll number. Next, coming to student name, let us take Bablu. Okay, means I am getting my table ready. So this is the how table works. Means inside table, you just need to have two things. First, you need to have full table. Okay, inside table, what we'll have? We'll have a tag called table head. So if I say table ki children, there are two children for table. First children is table head. Second children is table body. Means there are two children. And inside this, we are having something called table headings. And here we have table data. This is data 1. Means this is data 2. Means we have two rows in the table. If I duplicate these rows multiple times, what I'll get? If I duplicate these two rows again, Control C, and moving forward, Control V, means now how many records my table has? It has 4 records, right? So I can just change the records and roll numbers from here. Roll number 3. Okay. Let us take here 4. Okay, we'll do this much only, right? We can get 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write a table name. Any columns you want, you can just write one more duplicate line, and you can say college name also, or you can write student class. Okay, now I am having one more column. If I want to add another data, we can write class HTML or anything you can give 1, 2, 3, 4, your wish. Okay, he is having class HTML. So I want, this person does not have any class. Okay, so I want this to take full space. See, it is now taking full space, right? Col span means how much column you should span. I am saying 2 columns you span. Okay, so you can span column totally if you wish, but mostly we don't use this, but this exists. Col span means, okay, TD means the element data, and all this col span means how the data is, how much space is data taking. So you can take this way, or you can write again, Vinay is having CSS class. You can write this way, and we can get this CSS. Okay, this is how we can write data. So here I write col span 2 means this Bablu will take 2 columns, this column and this column. Okay, inside here you can write images also, no issues. Like I am making more heading 1. I am writing student profile. Okay, I write student profile. One more pick I get. Again here I am writing TD, right? Table data. Inside table data, what tag I can write? To insert image, I need to write image tag, right? In image tag, I need source attribute. So we'll get to free pick, maybe, yeah, free pick. We'll just search person. Okay. We'll go for a person. I'll just see if we get any person. I get this person, right? Let us take this person image. I just want copy image address. I just want to see this address exists or not. Okay, right, I got this. So here I want this address. I want some height and width also, because this image may come larger. So if I see my tag, it's coming full space, right? I don't want this much space. So I want height
of this image 150 pixels, width 150 pixels. So it should be a limited thumbnail like photo. So I can write my images also. So tables are very much useful if you want to design the layouts of the app, or you want to make some tables, student 1 marks on profile 1. This way you can be, or else you can just give one more thing, that view resume something, student resume. You can just write one more data line, TD data line, and you can write a tag, right? A tag for the link to resume. You can write any URL where the resume is there. In the Google Drive, you can upload that, and you can write see my resume. Okay, this way the person when clicks, he goes to Google Drive link or anywhere you want to give, he will go there. So you can make any structure, right? So this is called HTML tables. Completed. So this ends our HTML tables. Okay. So we'll start the new next. In the next slide, we'll just see what is the next thing. Tables clear, right? So moving forward, we created tutorial 9.html, right? So here, in this tutorial, we'll just see some more important tags, or we can say layout tags. Okay, we'll just see layout tags. So how the layout is done, I will just tell you in the Paint, or we'll just go with a whiteboard option, or else we'll go with Paint better. Okay, so in Paint, imagine this is my website, right? Normally, usually what a website have? We have a nav bar, a sidebar, a main content, yep, a footer, right? This way it works. So if I say how it works, we have a nav bar, sidebar, main, footer. Okay, I want this kind of structure in my website. So let me just save this file inside my desktop, HTML crash course, where it is. Inside images, website structure. Okay, I just saved this file, and I want same structure to be there. So first, what I need to write, we have some special tags. We have a tag called nav. Okay, we can write nav bar. Okay, again we have a tag called aside, means sidebar. We have a tag called main to show main content. Okay, we have a side. Inside nav, we can also have header, right? Nav bar is different, header is different, right? Header means logos and all. Nav bar means all navigation links. So we have a tag called header also. Header tag, right? Header we have, nav bar we have, aside we have, main we have, figure tag also used, but we don't use it. Next, what tag we have? Main is completed. Section tag is also there. So inside main, we may have many sections, right? Let us take section. Section 1 is about me section, about my clients. Different sections are there, right? So if I see my website, this is tutorial 9 for V, and we can just open this with live server. We get this, right? Head tag, nav bar tag, sidebar tag, all comes line by line as a paragraph. But there are different tags existence. Okay, we have section tag, we have main tag, and lastly we can have our footer tag, right? So we can write tag footer. We have a tag, footer tag, right? Footer tag. These are just simple tags. And regarding to our website structure, we have some tag: nav tag, header tag, main tag, section tag, and footer tag. They are just common tags. If you don't want to use these tags, only one tag can replace all them. Okay, sir, it is very difficult for me to remember all these tags. So please give me a good tag which is equal to all. If I say let us write horizontal row. If I write two horizontal rows and I then say div tag, okay, what tag? Div tag. This is called division tag. Okay. Okay. This tag is equal to all these tags, right? You can write div tag always, or you can write nav tag, head tag. Same effect will be coming. But div tag is division tag. Especially we use it for the division of it. Means division of web, or you can just say it is, I call it as a king tag. Okay. You can call it as king tag. Any website, mostly div tag is used. 90% you can say div tag will be same. Okay. Div tag is nothing but it is just a tag which can replace all these elements. Means you, instead of writing nav tag, I can write div tag. Instead of writing aside, I can write div. Instead of main, I can write div. Div means one box. Okay. If I show div, this is my full website. Here we have one nav. Okay. We have one navigation div. Here we have a card div. We have multiple cards. Okay. We have multiple divs. So this is the division tag which I just showed you in Amazon website, right? So if I go with Amazon, okay, we'll go with Amazon and we'll just show you the divisions. So all these tags which you see, they are division tags. Okay, they are, the app is divided into multiple of divisions. If you want to see what are the different tags it has in the tree structure, we'll see head tag means in head we have script tags, and after that we mostly see is div tag, right? Div. So div tag, I call it as king tag. Means mostly you use this tag only, right? This is our normal structure. This structure can be achieved by two things. One, you can use genuine tags like nav tag, header tag, sidebar tag, aside tag, section tag. Other tag, you can use the same with the div tag, right? So we completed our layout tags, right? This is the basic layout tags which we must remember. So moving forward, this ends, but before that, we'll just see tutorial 10. The tags we may missed .html. Okay, we'll just see list items. Okay, list tags. We have two types of list. Okay, list types, we can say list types. How many types of list we have? Let us see. List in HTML. Okay, I'm just commenting this out. We'll just write a h2 tag, right? H2 tag. Inside we write HTML list. Let us say I want to achieve this kind of effect. P tag I wrote one.ordered list. Next is in second one we have unordered list, right? Unordered list. If I just see this tutorial 10 in my browser, I will get that HTML list and ordered list and unordered list, right? So sir, this is very happy, means I can write this way. But is it a good idea if I want to write 100 elements in my list? Is it good idea to write this way? No, right? Means I need to manually write p tag again 1, 2 and all. So to solve this, we have something called inbuilt list for us. Okay, we have two lists, right? Ordered list, unordered list. OL means ordered list. All is a tag. And in list, what we'll have? We have items, right? List items. So let us take li for list item. If I write ordered list, you go to bring bread. Again, li item. Bring jam. Bring butter. Right? If I see this, I am already getting this effects, right? Means this OL tag will give you ordered list. I can just write a H3 tag. I can just write ordered list, right? I directly get ordered list, right? Means if you want to remove jam, means bread will automatically now become but second number, right? So you can keep adding your list inside it. List items, you can just li and add something other like others, or you can just keep on adding. So this is ordered list. We get numbers, right? But sometimes we don't need numbers. we need some alphabets, A, B, C, Ds. Okay. So we need to write an attribute called type. So how many types are available here? A is available, small a is available, capital I is available, small I is available. So I just choose A. Okay, we choose one, right? We choose A. Now this one becomes ABCs. Now if I choose small a, it will become small ABCs. If I choose I, it will become 1, 2, 3 Roman numbers. If I go with capital Roman numbers, I will get this capital Roman numbers. So this is what ordered list helps. So you can write multiple things, right? You can write I tag, or tag. This is ordered list, means list item we have and ordered list tag we have. So other list is, let us write HR tag. Other list we have is unordered list. So we write an H3 tag. Okay, we don't write head tag, we write H3 tag, unordered list, right? After unordered list, what is the thing I need? I need OL means ordered list, UL means unordered list. Okay, UL for unordered list. So if I unordered list, again same thing. I need to write list items, right? I can just write phone, or we can go with the laptop. Okay, this is how I get unordered list. Means there is no number, right? In this order means a number should be followed. Okay, unordered means numbers should not be followed. So here we can have this list. So they are called normal list. We have two type of list. One is ordered, second is unordered. In ordered list, we get numbers, alphabets, Romans and all. In unordered list, I don't want this dark circle. So what I can do, I can here also write type. Okay, what attribute I need to write? Type. I can write circle. It is changed to circle. If I go and type square, it will change to square box. So this is the different thing we have. So sir, how you got to know these values means, if you hover over this, you go to MDN reference, they will tell you what are the things you can do with this. Okay, they have different attributes here. So we have different attributes. See, we can use circle, disk, square. From here, you can just know what are the attributes for each list. If I click on OL, means ordered list, what are the different attributes? I will just check out here. We have reversed, we have start, we have type is equal to small a, capital A for lowercase and all. So this is the live notes which VS Code gives you. When you hover on this, you'll come here, just go to this and you will get the list, right? It is the best notes you can ever think. So clear, right? Ordered list and this list. So we usually completed all our HTML now. So before closing, I will cover one more topic called nested list. Okay, what is the topic name? Nested list. I commented this, right? Imagine nested list means a list inside the list. What is the nested list means? A list inside the list. Imagine I am having an ordered list. Oh, let us take unordered list. Okay, imagine it is an example of Amazon website. Okay, in nested list, what I want means, first what I want means, in unordered list, I want some list items. List item, let us take phone. We have taking laptops. And what are the other things? Electronic goods. Is it completed? Means can I say I can get mostly all the things from Amazon with these 2-3 types? No, right? Inside phone, there may be another categories. So how I can do this means, inside phone, you can write inside this phone, what I want an unordered list or ordered list, your wish. Means you can nest any list inside it. I want unordered list. Let us take unordered list. Again, I can write list item, right? LI for list item. I write Samsung, phone is there. We have Vivo, and let us take one more, Moto G. Okay, I go this way. Now I can see phone. We have different list. List inside list is nested list. You can just list this item, unordered list, or you can just list ordered list. If I change to ordered list, I will get number 1, 2, 3. Right. So this is the another concept of list. So let us close this list and forms we have completed. Last topic in HTML is tutorial 11.html. It is HTML forms, right? What is the last topic? Okay. Exclamation mark. Enter. Shift nokki exclamation mark. Exclamation mark రావాలంటే నార్మల్ గా 1 వస్తుంది కదా. Shift nokki exclamation mark, it will automatically show. Enter. Okay, make sure here HTML is selected, not Python. Okay, write HTML, it will automatically select here, right? So we write last topic is our HTML forms. Anything till now what we'll see, we have just seen all the things to show. A tag for showing link, image tag to showing image, table tag to show table, ordered list, list tags to show all this, paragraph to show, headings to show. Everything till now we did is to showing something, but showing is not all the things, right? We need something called forms in HTML. Means I want to take some users data also, right? I want you to log in, to give me username, to give me password, to give me a date of birth, all these things I need, right? So for that, what I want to do, I want to take your input, means take the user input. How I can take, means we need to have a forms, right? So let us fastly complete forms. So if I go with form, to make a form, I need a tag called form tag. Okay. Inside this, I am just replacing this. We have a tag called form tag. Okay. Means this will create a form. This will not show anything. Just let's make a H3 tag. Okay. We'll make a H3 tag or H2 tag, HTML forms, right? I'm making HTML forms. Okay. Inside HTML form, we have special tag, only one tag. What tag is input tag? Okay, tag name is input tag. So let us take, I want to enter your name. I will just write name. Okay, and I wrote input type equal to text. Okay, type text. If I just see, I will get this form, right? Okay, you can write your name. Happy, right? Similarly, let us take, I want password. Just instead of making name, I am changing it to username, right? Make your username. Let us write an HR tag, and we'll write H4 tag and say login form. We'll just try to make a login form, simple. So we have used a form tag, and inside we have make a username. Next thing what we need a password, right? Password. We write the same input tag. Instead of text, what I want now, I want a password. Okay, I am getting this user from this way, but what I want in the next line. So tag used is BR tag, break tag. Now I got username and password, right? Lastly, what I need a button, right? So you can write button tag, or you can just say login. Button also came here, but I don't want here. So here I write a break tag, so it will break the button to the down. So it's completed login form, right? Basic login form we completed. So I will just write another tag after it. I will just write again H5 tag, or we'll just write student register form. Okay, RE register form, right? I want to make a student registration form. First I take a form tag, right? Form. Let us take a which tag? Form tag. Okay, we'll just remove this action. Action I will tell you later. Action means where the data should be go to the form. Okay, if I click here for student registration, what I need name of the student. So name input, type text. Okay na? So I can just remove name and ID, or you can say these are the also attributes for this. Okay, now for now name is null, ID also null. So you can just see we have name, right? So next thing what you want after getting name, you want to know the phone number. Okay, let's take phone number. Phone number. I write input, and we'll just do a break because it will come to same line. Input, and just go here. We write a break tag. Which tag? Break tag. So I wrote a break tag, right? Inside I got phone numbers. So what is the problem here is, if I in phone number, can I write this one? Inside phone number, can I write A, B, C, Ds and all this? Will it allow? It should allow or not? It should not allow, right? Give a second, it has just closed. Means inside phone number, it should allow numbers, right? It should not allow these characters. I don't want this. So means type should not be text here. Type should be a number. If I write type number means here you cannot write ABCDs. Now only numbers will be allowed. So it is type number. We have type text. We have seen type password. Okay. What is the next thing we want? We need something called address. Or else what we'll take? We'll just take date of birth. Better, right? Date of birth. So in date of birth, what we have? We have different type, like imagine date of birth is DOB, right? I need to select date. Means I will get date. I will just write a break tag. I will just see, I collect here. This is my date of birth. Okay. Now you can get a calendar icon and you can just change to May or different years, 2022, 21, 2019, 2018, Jan, Feb and 14. So this is date of birth. I will get date of birth. So I want some time also. Date of birth, let us take with time. Means I will write, instead of date, I will write date time. Okay. Okay, it's date, time, local. Okay, we'll do a break tag here. Better, right? So it will come into the next line, and if we select, we got date, we got time. Okay. So we have different type of input. All the different type you can just try. But we have tried. If you want to address, right? Address, we have a tag called address. I want to make means I have a tag called text area. Means for address, it will be like a big line, right? Address. So here, if I write a break tag, then address you can write in this big box. This box is, you can do this way, any way you want. So sometimes like big box comes, right? To write the, see, this is how it feels, normal form, right? So next button is submit button. I want to write a button, submit. You can write just input, type equal to submit, or you can do this way. I got a submit button, or you can write button. Inside you can write type equal to submit. Same, this you can also write. Okay. So if I do submit, see above, what it will do, I will just fill something. I filled this data, I submit. Means it's submitted, right? Means data it has submitted and data form cleared. So this is the basic understanding how the data thing works. Means sometimes I want, what I want means name should be required. It should not submit my form until name is filled. So here what I'll write required. Okay, name is now required. So if I see, if I fill this data, if I just remove this name, please fill out this field. It will not submit. After that, I fill something, it will submit my data form, right? So this is the normal form. We have different things. Name, phone, let us take duplicate once more and we'll just make an email. Email is also there, right? We want email also. Instead of phone number, we'll write, give your email, right? We have now email also. So it will fill all the data. It will now submit. See, if you give this, and if you don't give this correct email, what will do? Please include a @ symbol instead of this. @ is missing. If I write @, if I submit, dot is missing now. So you need to write correct email. So we have different type. We have type text, number, email, date, time. If I just keep on showing you, if I just duplicate this email, you want to know the favorite color. What you want? Color. So the type is equal to color, right? Basic, right? Type equal to color. Okay. See, I have not wrote color spelling correct. COLOR, color. So now you can select your favorite color this way. So this is how you can create forms. So required field is for to the exact requirement. Type is equal to submit, will submit the form, or else we have something called type equal to reset. What is the name? Type equal to reset. In name it is saying that reset means if I do something, I filled this form, I don't want to submit. I have filled something wrong. Okay. Means I failed my date of birth or something wrong. I want to reset my form. It will reset. Without submitting, it will just clear the data from the form. Okay. This is the HTML form. Means from this HTML, we can say that HTML is closed. Right.